Billionaires in the making. Are you tired of just watching Bitcoin prices bounce around, feeling like you're missing the real story? Imagine you're standing on the beach looking at tiny waves, while a colossal wealth-generating tsunami is building just beyond your sight. That tsunami, my friends, is the hidden force driving Bitcoin's explosive potential, a power far bigger than any simple chart can show you. Today, we're not just looking at numbers, we're unlocking the secret engine that can rocket you towards your billion-dollar dreams faster than you ever imagined. Get ready to discover how to make money online and truly supercharge your financial journey. ETF Earthquake. A game changer you can't ignore. Let's talk about something huge that most people overlook. The ETF Earthquake. Think about it. Every time a major Bitcoin ETF or exchange-traded fund has launched, what happens? A massive jump in price. This wasn't just random buying. It was the door opening for big financial institutions, the smart money, to finally invest in Bitcoin. They now see it as a serious, mature asset, just like gold or major stocks. This video is going to be life-changing with a capacity to make everyone rich. Please share with your friends and relatives. This isn't just about simple buying and selling, it's a fundamental shift in how the entire financial world views and handles Bitcoin. To ignore this massive story and only focus on squiggly lines on a chart is like trying to sail the ocean just by looking at the water's color. You'll miss the giant opportunities, the powerful currents that truly determine where you're going. This isn't just speculation, it's the evolution of finance, and those who understand it are set to gain incredible rewards. This is your chance to really understand how to trade and spot these massive shifts, the power of the why decoding the billionaire narrative. So why are these ETFs so incredibly important? Because they bridge the gap between traditional finance and the exciting world of cryptocurrency. They create safe, easy ways for huge investments from major institutions that were scared to jump into Bitcoin directly before. We're talking about trillions of dollars that could potentially flow into Bitcoin. This isn't just about a temporary buzz. It's about a long-term recognition of Bitcoin's value as a store of value, something that holds its worth over time, even when regular economies are shaky. Understanding this why is your compass. It will guide your investment decisions with unwavering confidence, turning market ups and downs into your biggest advantage. This understanding is key for anyone looking into trading for beginners or wanting to seriously understand the stock market for beginners. Now, while the long-term story of Bitcoin is breathtaking, the short-term ride can still be bumpy. This is where the smart strategy of day trading comes in. Think of it like expertly surfing those smaller waves within that huge financial tsunami. Day trading, when done right, is less affected by those big, unpredictable market jolts. It allows you to make money from the small price movements that happen throughout a single day. You can turn tiny shifts into significant gains, growing your money at an incredible speed. This isn't gambling, it's about skillfully taking profits from the market's natural ups and downs. If you're wondering how to day trade, this is where the magic happens. It starts with learning and a disciplined approach. You need to understand basic support and resistance levels, where prices tend to stop falling and stop rising. Learn to spot what we call short-term catalysts, things that make prices move quickly within a day. And most importantly, master risk management, protecting your money. There are many day trading strategies out there, like scalping strategy, which focuses on tiny, quick profits. You'll learn to read the market's immediate intentions, anticipate those short-term moves, and make trades with incredible precision. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a smart method to consistently pull profits from the market's constant movement. This is your blueprint for how to become a day trader and really apply beginner trading strategies effectively. Protecting your ascent, day trading as your bear market shield. Let's be real, even with a powerful long-term story, the market can go down. This is where day trading truly shines as a wealth preservation tool. In tough times when long-term investors might see their money temporarily drop, skilled day traders can actually make money from prices falling through a technique called short selling, or by buying assets at lower prices, ready for the next surge up. It's about being flexible and adapting to market conditions, turning potential losses into new chances to grow your wealth. This isn't about fear, it's about smart adaptability. Whether it's day trade stocks, forex trading, or options trading, understanding how to navigate all market conditions is key. You'll even hear about nifty prediction for tomorrow for other markets, but the principles remain similar for Bitcoin. From insight to action, your immediate next steps. Billionaires in the making, the knowledge we've shared today isn't meant to just sit there, it's a blueprint for action. Start by truly understanding the big stories driving Bitcoin, especially how major institutions are getting involved. At the same time, begin to explore the principles of effective day trading. Dedicate time to learning technical analysis. That's how you read the charts, but always connect it with this broader understanding. Paper trade. That means practice trading with fake money and refine your strategies. The path to becoming a billionaire is paved with knowledge applied consistently. The power of shared knowledge. The insights we've uncovered today are powerful, but their impact multiplies when shared. If you found this breakdown illuminating, if you now see the bigger picture of Bitcoin's potential, then please, share this video with everyone you know. Let's empower more individuals to understand the true drivers of wealth in the crypto space and help them learn how to make money online. Fueling the billionaire movement. We're building a community of future billionaires right here at the Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy. If you're serious about accelerating your journey to financial freedom and want more insights like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. We're just getting started on this incredible journey to help you become a day trader. Never miss the next wealth wave. The crypto market moves fast and crucial opportunities can pop up in an instant. Don't miss out on the next vital piece of the puzzle. Turn on that notification bell icon so you're always alerted when we drop a new wealth building strategy, whether it's about how to day trade options, scalping options, or any other powerful technique. Your thoughts matter to us all. What are your thoughts on the impact of these big financial moves and the potential of day trading? Share your insights and questions in the comments below. Let's create a powerful discussion and learn from each other's perspectives. Remember, billionaires in the making, the future of finance is unfolding right now. Understand the narrative, master the strategies, and claim your share of the coming wealth. Until next time, keep striving for that billion-dollar vision.